Hello once again, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook and milk cotton yarn. You're also going to need a scissors. If you're going to make a bag handle, you might also need these D-rings here. So if you have any other type of yarn, you can use that yarn that you have. Just make sure that you're using a corresponding crochet hook. So let's begin. So I'm going to begin with a slip knot and I'm going to chain 6. So your foundation chain should be an even number. So if you want to increase the width of your cord, it can be 8, 10, 12, and so on. Just make sure that it is an even number. So I'm going to chain 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is my chain. So I'm going to turn my chain so that I expose these back bumps here. These ones. That's where I'm going to insert my hook, and I'm going to skip the first one from the hook, this one, and I'm going to insert through the second one, and then I'm going to yarn over and then pull through, and then I'm going to go into the next one, this one, okay, insert, pull through into the next one, pull through, pull through, and then into the last one. So you should have 6 loops on your hook. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first 3 loops, and then I'm going to chain 2, 1, and then 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining loops like this. Then I'm going to chain 1 here, and we begin the next row. You insert now in this the gap, pull through, yarn over, pull through only the first loop on the hook, insert again, yarn over, pull through, insert again, like this. So now I have 5 loops on the hook. The 6th one, I'm going to come and insert my hook through this back loop here, and then I'm just going to pull through like this. So you should have 6 loops on your hook by the time you're at the end of the row. So yarn over, pull through the first 3 loops like this, and then you chain 2, 1, and then 2, and then yarn over again, and then pull through all the remaining loops like this, and then chain 1, and then we repeat. Insert in the chain space, pull through in the chain space, pull through. So in the chain space, you're inserting our hook 4 times, 3, and then 4, and then the last one we're going to insert in this back loop here, and then just pull through like this. Next, yarn over, pull through the first 3 loops, chain 2, 1, and then 2, and to finish the row, yarn over, pull through the remaining loops. So you can see that's our pattern. So you can continue repeating the pattern up until you have your desired length. Okay, so I've added a few more rows, and you can see it's beautiful, and you can actually use this as a headband or as a hair tie. And if you want to use this as a bag handle, I'm also going to show you how to attach this handle to the D-rings. So here I'm going to use this one. So you begin with a slip knot, just leave a small tail so that you'll be able to fasten it off and hide it later on. And I'm going to make a slip knot like this. Okay. Then you're going to take your D-ring. Okay. I'm going to take my yarn from the ball like this, and over, let's hold here, and then pull through like this. So already we have 1 loop here. So I insert into the ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. So we now have 4, so you should continue up until you have 6, and then pull through like this. The last one. So now I have 6. So here I yarn over, pull through the first 3 loops, and repeat that pattern. Chain 2, yarn over, pull through the last loops, chain 1, and then in the chain space, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then the last one into this back loop here. We'll pull through 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 3, chain 1, 2, and like that. So I'm just going to add more rows again, and then I'll show you how to attach the other end, the other side of the D-rings. So you take your D-ring, and I'm just going to put it here, and then I'm going to set my needle. Okay, so we have here a bag handle. We can use this one as a bag handle, and this one here you can use it as a belt or as a hair tie. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. Thank you.